to my nigga Pac.
The feds is watching, niggas plotting to get me. Will I survive? Will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibility. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers up and let these devils be sorry. For the day they finally free me, I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. A 5 double O, bands wanting flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream, been known to disappear.